We are rushing deep inside Dubai's most exclusive, monumental, $185 million carved cliff sanctuary. Feel the colossal scale of this 85,000 square feet modern wonder, flawlessly carved into majestic volcanic rock.
Step inside the Aegis Sanctuary, where raw volcanic rock gracefully meets flawless, polished ivory marble. Experience the tranquil flow of this bioluminescent cavern walkway, connecting the vast reaches of the estate. Relax in this colossal living lounge, featuring a dramatic fire pit and uninterrupted views of the horizon. This chef's masterpiece is carved directly from the rock, blending rugged geology with elite culinary technology. Dine in total serenity above a subterranean glass pond, surrounded by the ancient majesty of the cliff. This climate-controlled vault secures the world's rarest vintages, carved deep into the cool heart of the rock. Command your global empire from this cliff-edge office, where architectural genius fuels peak executive performance. Dreamy natural sunlight pours through carved skylights, illuminating a secret botanical paradise hidden deep within.
Wake up in the ultimate zenith sanctuary, floating above crystal waters with breathtaking views of the coast.
This sculptural floating staircase is an engineering marvel, carved directly from the natural core of the cliff. Dive into ultimate luxury in this 75-foot indoor lap pool, featuring striking subterranean ambient lighting.
Retreat to the archive, where rare manuscripts are stored behind carved rock shelves and fluid white paneling.
Gather around this sunken conversation pit, where comfort and raw geological beauty merge into pure social perfection. Explore a world-class private gallery, where masterpieces are displayed against the rugged texture of ancient volcanic stone. Restore your body in the heated plunge pool, an oversized marble basin nestled within a tranquil cavern. This commercial-grade culinary engine is equipped with 5-star technology to serve the most elite private events. The expansive butler's pantry offers unmatched preparation space, keeping the main house flawless during grand soirees. Even the utility spaces exude luxury, featuring custom ivory cabinetry and the finest appliances in the world.
Stay fully stocked in this massive chilled pantry, designed with refined wood textures and integrated smart technology.
Relax in total seclusion with professional wellness treatments delivered inside your own private mountain sanctuary.
Wake up to perfection in this intimate breakfast nook, carved directly into the cliff's edge.
Your accessories are art pieces in this boutique closet, featuring museum-grade lighting and custom cabinetry.
Arrive in style through this executive mudroom that blends high-tech security with unmatched architectural grandeur. Find your center in this Zenith Yoga Studio, where fluid architecture meets absolute tranquility. This master wardrobe is an architectural masterpiece, designed to showcase the world's finest haute couture. Unleash imagination in this luxury playroom, featuring organic forms and custom-built indoor rock adventures. Create without limits in this elite hobby studio, where natural light and raw textures inspire genius. Challenge your guests in this ultra-modern arcade lounge, featuring custom gaming hardware and raw rock textures.
Secure your legacy in this high-tech subterranean vault, protected by tons of ancient volcanic rock and steel.
Rejuvenate in a natural thermal spring, carved into the rock, with steam rising in warm amber light. Experience an eternal spring in this winter garden, where dreamy skylights illuminate exotic flora and raw stone. Find absolute peace in this floating tea house, suspended over crystal water within the cliff's shadow. Enter the high-stakes vault, where elite gaming meets the moody ambiance of a private billionaire retreat.
Broadcast to the world from this acoustically perfect studio, carved directly into the silent volcanic cliff.
Execute global trades from this high-tech command center, where raw geology meets cutting-edge financial architecture. Peer into the cosmos from this rock-carved observatory, featuring a massive skylight and elite telescope technology. Showcase your rarest kicks in this high-tech vault, featuring museum-grade lighting and rugged cliffside architecture. Marvel at nature's artistry in this foyer, featuring a monumental amethyst geode set against dark volcanic rock. Guests will marvel at this stunning onyx bathroom, where backlit luxury contrasts with ancient subterranean rock. Ascend through the heart of the cliff in this crystal-clear glass elevator, revealing immense architectural depth. Strike in style within this private bowling cavern, featuring dual lanes and breathtaking architectural lighting. Unwind in the ultimate cave lounge, featuring backlit bourbon displays and plush designer leather seating. Immersive relaxation awaits in this aquarium lounge, featuring a monumental saltwater tank integrated into the cliff. Train in this high-tech fitness center, where ultra-modern equipment is nestled within the protective embrace of the cliff. Float across the glass-bottom meditation bridge, suspended over a tranquil internal canyon carved from ancient stone. Compete in total opulence inside the anthracite billiards hall, where elite design meets rugged geological textures. The presidential guest suite offers unmatched privacy and grandeur, blending silk textures with raw cliffside views. Enjoy world-class coffee at the artisanal espresso bar, featuring monolithic white marble and backlit volcanic textures. Conquer the elements in this professional climbing canyon, featuring natural volcanic stone faces and high-tech white grips. Experience a private concert on this ivory marble stage, perfectly illuminated by warm amber cinematic cliffside lighting. Step into this moody rock-carved jazz bar, where soulful melodies meet the absolute peak of billionaire luxury. Discover the secret speakeasy vault, the ultimate hidden bar featuring backlit amber glow and ancient volcanic walls. Protect your rarest timepieces in this high-security jewelry vault, featuring custom lighting and reinforced natural stone walls. Restore your soul in the basalt hammam, a steam-filled sanctuary of purity carved deep into the cliff. Showcase your collection in the supercar gallery, where high-performance engineering meets the breathtaking majesty of the mountain. Experience Hollywood grandeur in the carved cinema, featuring striking copper accents and an immersive subterranean acoustic environment. Inhale the scent of freshness in this herb conservatory, where culinary genius meets organic cliffside design. This haute couture closet is a private fashion runway, where luxury apparel is displayed as pure art. Pulse with energy in this private subterranean nightclub, featuring a white resin DJ booth and rhythmic amber lighting. Lose yourself in high-fidelity sound inside this acoustically perfect vinyl lounge, carved deep into the silent cliff. Host high-stakes summits in this monumental boardroom, where raw geological power meets the absolute height of luxury. Savor the world's finest spirits in this dedicated tasting room, featuring backlit bottle displays and ancient rock. Witness the golden hour from this cantilevered glass terrace, offering a breathtaking panoramic view of the horizon.